The limb lifting and turning strap is used to provide access for wound care or hygiene and to provide support for a limb that would otherwise have to be manually lifted and held. The two straps can also be used to turn a person. Always use two straps for turning a person. Attach a carabiner on one end of each strap. Attach each carabiner to the same side of the bed frame to a position near the lower back and knees, respectively. Fold each strap in half or thirds, with the folds beneath the strap touching the bed. This allows you to unfold the strap without sliding it across the surface of the person's skin. Place each respective strap in position below the lower back and the knees. From the opposite side of the bed, a caregiver should reach beneath the person in these positions, grasping the loop or material, and unfold to fully extend each strap to the other side of the bed. Lower the boom on the opposite side of the bed to which the person will be turned, and attach each strap to the loops on the hanger bar, ensuring one strap in one hook and the second strap on the other hook. Be sure the identical color of loop is used on both straps. Make sure rails are up on the side you are turning the person towards. Raise the boom slightly. Once there is tension on the loops, pause lifting and double check to make sure the loops are securely seated in the hooks. Raise the lift boom to the desired height. Always watch the movement of the person to ensure they are not in danger of rolling into the side rail or out of bed. You may place pillows or wedges between person and the railing for comfort and to prevent rolling.